Alright, YouTube. So it's the day after. We done applied that Gorilla Glue to our Chevy emblem. And let's see how good it's holding. Go ahead on, remove our C-clamp here. Y'all see, nice and solid. Ain't going nowhere. Can't pull it up. So next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grind all around it. And we're gonna lay some fiberglass and resin down. We're gonna try to smooth it, get a shot of paint on this thing. So we just got an angle grinder. I'm gonna swap out my tip to this here red sanding pad. All right, y'all. I do have on a dust mask and some glasses, as you can see. And I'm gonna grind all around that outside surface. So I have fiberglass and resin and have somewhere to bind. Alright, YouTube, Mr. Random here checking in, gang. Hope y'all having a good day out there today, good weekend, you know. I'm over here stuck at work doing a little editing. But this here video from, you know, like a couple weeks ago when I first started putting a Chevy sign on my AC and heating box. Now right here I'm just sanding all around the sign, so when I put my resin and my fiberglass cloth, I got a nice clean area for it to stick to. Roger that. Hope y'all enjoying the video, guys. Y'all stay tuned. You can leave me a comment. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, because my analytics telling me that 70% of the people watching ain't even subscribed. But I support the other 30%. I appreciate y'all, the 30% who is subscribed. So I'm just gonna clean it up right quick and I'm gonna get back at it too. Alright, YouTube, I got my favorite right here, some lacquer thinner. I just got a napkin. Pour a little bit on there. I'm gonna wipe my surface. I'm gonna be putting my resin, my fiberglass. Alright, gang, we got our fiberglass resin right here. We're gonna mix up some, see how much we need. Mixing chips, working like. I think that's a little more than 2 ounces. There may be about 3 ounces there. I'm trying to pull a little bit back in our can, about an ounce. All right, see what that looks like. I'm gonna add me 20 drops of this hardener. I cut me some fiberglass right here, and I cut it big enough to fit over our whole Chevy sign. So I'm gonna lay him out, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply my resin. And I'll just be putting it on with a paintbrush here that we got from Home Depot for $1. Alright, gang, y'all see what we doing here. We just got us a 2-inch paintbrush, got our fiberglass cloth laid down, and we just spreading our resin right on top to get us a nice silent bind to each other. They gonna get married today, dude. Now, one other thing while we talking about it, I forgot to mention since we right here. You see, when you're applying that resin, you want to apply it. You want to have a good bit on your brush to where it ain't grabbing your cloth. You want to apply it evenly and smooth. Not too heavy, but not too light. You want it just right. I'm gonna show y'all how it's done in a minute. Alright, gang. See how it's looking. Let that dry up. Come back, see what we looking like. Alright, gang. I'm just gonna cut this excess fiber that we have right here. Alright, dude. Y'all see what we got here. It ain't nothing special. The same thing we been using. We just got an angle grinder. And right now, this here, I don't think it's the red Scotch pad. This one here might be the black one. It's a little bit more abrasive, but you gotta use this one right here, especially when you're trying to knock down that resin. And that rondo and that resin get hard. And they make fiberglass resin. Alright, YouTube, just got me a little 120 on a sanding block, and I'm gonna try to hit what I can hit, like the Chevy sign. Y'all see that wrist work? Look how strong that wrist is. I'm going back and forth and up and down. That's how I stir the macaroni in a pot when I'm in the kitchen, in the pot. Nah, I don't know if you can see it, but look close. You see that dust right there? I ain't just got it flying in the air. I got an orbital centrifugal fan. And we gonna save that and restore it as well so we can reuse it for our further future projects as bondo mixture to harden up the compound. You want to move your wrist fast right here. Go fast, side to side, up and down. Because you don't want no feather edging to be stuck in the process. Here we go again, round 2. We gonna repeat. Now as y'all can see, you see my angle grinder here with this Scotch pad on here. I can't really get all the way into the corners like I really like to be. So what I did here, I went and made me a special trip just to Harbor Freight. And I don't know if I'm gonna show it in this video. It might be the next one after I covered it and let it sit. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in, stopping by.
YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You see what it is, so you know who it's about. It's about your Uncle Nephew, and we congratulate New Vet Order on his monetization party. If you haven't tuned in and been subscribed to the channel, you head over there and make sure you do too, so you get some of the good merch and some good knowledge on calls. We coming back with plenty more too, gang, to turn that post notification bell on, and you stay locked and loaded to all the greatest now too. Eric, you keep doing a good job over there. He watching, he gonna give you something good for it too. Comment, like, share, subscribe. We gone. Mr. Random doing it, man. The New Vet Order.